This speed app, I go through all the test and discussion videos, quick revision videos, and grant tests, and that really helped me to boost my rank within 100. And finally, I succeeded getting this much ranks. I watched the speed videos and read the slides and notes from speed. Good guidance from institutional like speed. Give more grand tests, solve more questions, revise more.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute, Dr. Basavaraj MJ, for scoring a topmost rank of 62 in DM Medical Group. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
And I thank you for sharing your valuable time to share your experiences with us, and also to the students who are watching this video.
It's my pleasure, sir.
Thank you. Doctor, can we know a brief background about yourself, where you started till date, what all you have done?
Myself, Dr. Basavaraj. I'm from Karnataka, Belgavi. I did my UG from BIMS Belgavi, and then I did my PG from AIMS Rishikesh.
Okay, I mean, it's a great journey.
Yes, sir.
Full amazing journey that you have done. And congratulations to that. And also, I want to ask you, what is the super specialty you're interested in?
Sir, I am interested in medical gastroenterology, sir.
Wow, that is a very fascinating super specialty, because I have made an interview of almost 25 to 30 medical group students. And out of that, except for two, everybody wants to do only medical gastro.
Yes, last year also it was very trending.
Trending.
Most people took gastroenterology only.
So, why medical gastro? I mean, again, the same question I'm asking you.
Yes, during my PG residency only, we had postings in super specialty, sir. And during that time only, I got exposure of all super specialty, sir. And then I got more interest towards the gastroenterology. And I basically like more intervention procedures, sir. And I like the subject also, hepatology and intestine part. And then at the end of my residency, I decided that I will do gastroenterology only. Then I started preparing for INISS. I basically gave prepared INSS, and then I gave INSS also. I got around 30 ranks, but I couldn't get a seat in last INSS.
So, what was your mental strength and strategy that, okay, I have not done in NESS, though I was preparing for it, got 30, close to it, but still not made it. Then was suddenly the exam next is NEET SS, very short period of time. How you managed?
Yes, sir. Actually, I read Harrison thoroughly, sir, and I knew I'm good with medicine. And I did it. Actually, I did. My GT score was also on a rank was also on a good level, and I needed little that extra edge to get the rank within 100 and get my good rank. And then this speed app, I go through all the test and discussion videos, quick revision videos, and grant tests, and that really helped me to boost my rank within 100. And finally, I succeeded getting this much ranks.
Yes, because the faculty and team in speed will be more pushing. Attend
Yes,
class,
sir.
class,
Yes, sir.
live sessions and
Actually, I
more.
would like to thank Ujjwal sir, for gastroenterology, Dheeraj sir, and cardiology videos also very helpful, sir.
Great, doctor. Now, can we know from you, will you be giving NESS also after this?
No, sir. Probably I will take it in this time. This time, I
Okay.
will be joining with it.
How many questions did you attend this exam, doctor?
I attempted 145 questions, sir. I left only 5 questions, sir.
Was it?
During the exam, I was feeling like I need to attend more only. Then it's good that I attempted more questions, sir.
This is that from toxicology and environmental medicine, you left those 5
Yes, sir.
questions.
Yes, sir. The last year was also there was more than 10 questions from toxicology, and then I felt like I should read these topics in more depth, and I read them in Harrison. Harrison, it has not covered in hundreds of topics in depth, sir. So I watched the speed videos and read the slides and notes from speed, and basically during the exam also I was feeling like this question has come from that part of the speed notes, and I recall this, and that has really helped.
Great, doctor. Now, how did you judge this paper? I mean, what do you feel this paper is about?
So NEET SS is always unpredictable, sir. The questions will come from any part. So I give it like difficult, moderate to difficult level. But compared to the last year's scorings, this year the scores, even the score marks were less, but I got good rank compared to last.
Okay. And what will be your advice for the future aspirants of the medical group?
My advice will be to start preparation as early as possible, sir. At least 3 to 4 months of dedicated preparation is needed, sir.
Okay.
And along, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Along with reading Harrison, we need to uh, read in more depth and take good guidance from institutional like speed, and give more grand tests, solve more questions, revise more. That would be sufficient, sir.
Great, doctor. Thanks for sharing.
Thank you, sir.
Introduce speed to you, how you were in speed, and what was your experience of speed to this exam?
So, my seniors introduced speed to me, sir. Aditya Sudan, he was a NEET topper, sir. He was a uh, immunology, rheumatology PM resident in my college, named Rishikesh. And then one of my senior also from gastroenterology, he told me that if you are preparing for gastroenterology, better to choose speed. It has good content and good faculty. Then I decided to take speed and studied my gastroenterology and NEET part from speed.
So, are you happy for the decision your seniors said, and are you
Yes, yes,
happy
sir. Yes,
for the decision that you have made?
yes, sir.
Okay. So, thanks for sharing, and the speed team will be very happy to listen to these words from you.
Yes.
And time to thank, and whom all you want to thank, that from day one till date they have stood by you and to what it has made you today. You can use this platform to do so.
So I would like to thank my parents, my family, and my fiancé and my friends. They all really helped me to get this answer.
Very good, doctor. We once
Thank
again
you.
wish you all the very best and all the success for a great and wonderful and amazing career as a DM medical gastroenterologist. And you're going to really touch upon millions and millions of life and be life saving. And best wishes once again to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.